Okay, the second video of the second section of the flow form. So previously we just finished with the third position. We're going to work with the fourth, fifth, sixth and seventh positions. Now for the fifth, sixth and seventh position you've already done. You already did them in your first section with the same numbers actually. 5, 6 and 7. 4 is also a rollback, but it's slightly different. We're coming from a slightly different position. But let's jump into it so I can show you. So we'll start where we left off. So the end of second section, start of first section, cross hands. 1 to the corner. 2, opposite corner. Then 3, the back corner, but turning a little bit further. Okay, more toward the back wall or between the back corner and the back wall, somewhere over there. You can't see my hands at the moment, but I'll turn around for the next set to show you. What you're going to do for the fourth movement is you're going to step back with the left leg, back, not out, back, and just come in. Your hips will turn all the way from the back to the side wall. Okay, so it's quite a big turning of the hips. What happens with the arms is the right hand comes up, forms a little ball, and then relaxes down. So the hands come into the position that you had in the first section for the rollback. This is also a rollback, but what the hands are doing, if I show facing this corner from the third position, the hands are rotating into a small ball and then relaxing down. Okay, so all this is happening, the small ball then coming back. So we don't want to just move like so. Okay, rotate the ball, soften it down, come to the corner. This is, for some reason, it's quite a difficult move. This is a movement out of the whole form where people tend to get wrong more than others. So pay attention to it. Before stepping, turn a little bit. Well, you've already turned for the third bit, but as you turn, try to feel the hands forming a ball, rotating around, and then dropping in. Face the corner. Only have to face the side wall. It's not too big a step. And with the step, so here's 3. Try not to step this way. Try not to step straight back. Just step straight back from where the right heel is going. It's the easiest step. Okay, quite often we start destroying the pattern through strange stepping. Yeah? So 3, 4, boom, straight to the sidewall. Then the 5th, 6th and 7th you already know. So the 5th, but this is back to the corner. This is the difference in the second section as opposed to the first, third and fourth sections. Okay, this one you go straight to the corner, the back corner. So 5, the press, to the corner, back corner. Same position as you know in the first section. 6, moving back, away from the hands, forming that diamond position of the hand. Then the 7, which is the push, straight in. Yeah, so you know all of that. 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Yeah? If I do it facing, I'll do it facing the sidewall to show you how it comes in from this way. So this is from 1, or from the start of the second section, cross hands. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, the press, 6, and 7. So all facing the back corner. That's the main difference. Otherwise it's exactly as you know from the first section. Now, if you're having, if you lose the fluidness Okay, if your body is disrupted. In the Tai Chi Classics, it says, in the San-Feng Tai Chi Classic, the 5th Tai Chi Classic, when moving forwards and backwards, you should have flexibility and momentum. If you do not have flexibility and momentum and the body becomes disrupted, the fault should be sought in the waist and the legs. Yeah, the waist and the legs, not the upper body. Yeah, so with the Tai Chi, we're building from the base up, essentially. So if we want to build a big building, we have to have a very strong base. Essentially, that's the same with the Tai Chi. We must build the strong connection with the ground, the strong connection with the base, a strong connection with the center, a fullness in the center. Okay, and like the earlier videos, it means in every posture that you are, say if you're in the 7th position, you should feel that you can breathe comfortably in the dantian. Okay, lower abdomen breathing in these positions without your structure being disrupted. If you find that in your position you can only breathe in the chest, there's something wrong with your posture. You're holding too much tension within your torso. You're limiting yourself. We must sink the chi. Sinking the chi, sink the chi to the dantian. This is the energy storage center that we need to have full. Okay, so it can't be hard. If it's hard, no energy will come into it. It's full, it's nice and springy, nice and bouncy. It shouldn't be hard like a rock, and it shouldn't be like a pillow, nice and soft. Okay, so let's do that once more from the start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Okay, that's the end of the second lesson of the second section. Third lesson coming up.